What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Green. I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. And today's video is Truth or Drink. As you can see, you feel me? I had the contestants right here. Got my dog Kmar in the bed, Victor in the bed, Teddy in his bed. You feel me? And right now, it's gonna get a little crazy. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We got the Henny bottle, so you know it's lit. Exactly. Ooh. So the intro is doing after the video, so we out this bit.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime, round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist, I think you know how this gonna go. I own the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now that I'm back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, I was locked up getting pat down.
Hi, it's Empress from Untitled TV.
It's your boy, Day to Day Marv, from Day to Day Marv at Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. All right, let's go.
Right.
Oh, so you're reading it for me, yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
How would your partner or your latest ex describe your sex life with the title?
Currently?
It says latest or ex.
Oh,
or
how would they describe it?
Yeah.
My sex life or my sex style?
No, your sex life.
Sex life? That's like with all the partners before her and all that stuff too?
No, just your latest.
Just your latest?
Yeah, and then describe it like with the movie title.
That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, that's what it would be. That's crazy. That's crazy the movie. That's what's going to be. It's going to be like, that's crazy.
Go crazy! Go crazy!
Inadvertent nudity. Tell us about when it happened to you. What does that mean? What is inadvertent nudity?
Google. You stupid.
Can't pronounce it. So without intention nudity.
Did somebody
Tell us about when it happened to you. All right, when did you like show yourself, not on purpose, but you had like exposed yourself, like dress malfunction or something like that?
There's nothing really significant. Yes. What's the weirdest thing about me?
The weirdest thing about you?
Yeah. Be 100.
I'm trying to think, really. The weirdest thing about you.
Yeah. Oh God.
I don't even know. I mean, I know like sometimes you're quiet out of nowhere. So I guess that would be like the weirdest thing. So you be like talking and you just like, and you just don't be saying nothing. But yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's not bad. Have you ever had to contact past partners for public health reasons?
I've ever had contact. Oh, like if I had an STD, I had to tell them that they got an STD too?
Yeah.
Nah, never. I'm glad. All right. If we were in a porn together, what category would it be filed under? I'm curious.
What category? I don't know categories like
fetish, BBW, POV. They got, you know.
I don't know how to answer that.
You gotta answer that question. I'm curious.
What's POV?
Like point of view, like you basically the camera. You looking down and looking at everything that's going on.
Wow. I'm gonna just take a shot.
You gonna take a shot? First shot down. Say less. All right, cool. What's something you know would make you a better person, but you just don't want to do it?
I just don't want to do?
Yeah.
I would say one thing that would make me a better person is patience. Because I can be a little impatient sometimes, so like I feel like that'll just make me a better person because I won't be so aggy if something doesn't go right, or I won't be like such a rush to do things. So like that's probably the.
All right.
Have you ever stabbed someone in the back or actively plotted against them?
Stab somebody in the back?
Yeah, or actively plotted against them.
Or actively plotted against them. Nah, I don't do that. That's whack. If you don't like somebody, just tell them. That's fine. All right, what's the last inanimate object you put inside yourself or another person?
never did that. In
You
animate
capping,
object.
you never did that.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead, go.
No, I'm saying I never did that.
Alright, baby. She lying?
I'm not lying. Okay, do you have nude images of anyone that I know on your phone right now?
I'm thinking of our mutual followers on Instagram.
Who?
Our mutual followers.
Oh.
Probably, yeah. No, you don't know. Yeah, no, we good. She don't know what this is.
Okay, alright. That existed.
What it is to be your boy Young Shock coming from Wolfgang TV. You already know who it be. If you don't know me, you are sleeping.
And it's your girl, Ming the Joy. When was the last time you were out of control?
Like anger out of control, white boy out of control.
Anger?
Anger out of control? A couple minutes ago. Yeah. Describe your sex life with a song title.
Oh, hell no. What? Are you more sexperimental or less sexperimental than the average person?
I'm sexual. Whatever my girl wants, she got it. As long as ain't no anal play. What's the most unreasonable thing you ever completely lost your shit over?
Probably only my phone.
Oh, you one of those? Where's my phone at?
Yeah. Assuming we were both single, would you date me?
Can't answer that question.
Drink, please.
Have you ever feared for your life or safety while drinking or on drugs? Take us to the scene.
Am I the one driving?
It says, have you ever feared for your life or safety
Yeah.
while drinking or on drugs?
No.
If you have,
Hell
just tell us. You took a shot for no reason.
No, I'm not telling that.
Oh. You're good.
Nobody need to know about that. What would be the sexiest nickname they give you when you live at the old folks' home?
I already got the sexiest nickname. Cha Cha. I don't know. Who gives old people sexy nicknames?
Old people? They be giving them weird ass names.
Have you ever been sexual on camera?
No.
Nah, because the second question is, would you want to? Actually, I have. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not taking that shot. I have been sexual on camera.
Why are you asking yourself the question? I thought it was maybe.
Oh, I'm tripping.
You stupid. Boy, if you don't get
It was for you.
Stupid.
So have you ever been?
No and no. Name a time you could have helped someone but didn't bother. You can't even ask that one.
Name a time I could have helped someone, but I didn't bother. Oh, it was this time. She was an old lady, but she wasn't really that old. She was like in her 60s. And you know, like when you're walking down the steps, that last step, she was falling. And I say was because like she was falling for like a long. And I sat there and I watched her fall. Like I watched it happen. Like the last step her take, she missed and she was just holding on for dear life, slowly falling back. When was the last time you know you? It was DJ.
Wait, which
When was
one?
the last time you ever mastered?
Oh. I don't have to do that.
She didn't answer the question, so you still gotta take
I
a
never.
shot.
I never did.
It's good. It's Keep Boy Kmar at Kmar on Instagram. You feel me? It's your turn, baby.
I'm petty.
At It's Teddy. What am I the most ignorant about?
Do you ever think I stir up drama because I enjoy it?
No.
That was What's the most terrible thing you've ever done for money?
I don't even know. I'm going to take a shot.
Why you want to take a shot? Why are we taking a shot?
How have you dishonored your parents?
Sneaking out. Lying. Oh, my turn. Would you be or have you been a guest star in another couple's bedroom?
Nah.
What happened to
What's the most serious crime you ever committed? It's not a question. Describe the perfect foreplay. What activities and for how long?
I don't need know that.
Next question. What's the weirdest porn you ever clicked on?
I don't watch porn.
Ew, so I think I shot it.
Why am I not taking it? I answered it. I don't watch porn. I don't need to watch porn for it. No? What does it watch it for? Okay. What's the maximum number of people you'd be interested in having sex with at once? Why are you drinking? Why are you drinking?
Got more? Shot them down. Oh. That?
Yeah, next question.
Hey, what y'all dapping for?
Is it me?
Next question.
Describe your sex life with a song title.
Song title?
Yeah.
I know that one
Nigga,
name.
you pouring more?
Yeah, other people.
Cup.
Huh? You describe your sex
Fucked up
life
by
with a
the
song.
end of
You
this
can't
the next
describe
one.
your sex life with a song.
Hmm?
You can't describe your sex life
With a song?
What song?
Yeah, rumpy, choppy.
Yeah, that is.
No.
Carries
Come
on it.
on, right? Shot right there. Alright, look. 2 more questions and that's it.
That's it.
Is that it?
Are you more experimental or less experimental than the average person with sex? More or less? Blood club.
More.
So next question.
How have I changed for the worse since we met?
How you changed for the worse?
Yes. How have I changed for
Your
the
mouth.
worse? My mouth.
Your attitude.
My attitude.
Yeah, my answer. Next question.
My attitude.
Yeah.
They used to call me icy hot. That attitude been
Exactly.
there.
What's the most unreasonable thing you've ever completely lost your shit over? What you ever got mad over?
You doing some shit?
It's your boy KC Double G. Follow my Instagram at KC Got Game. Huh? Go ahead.
My name, Nana.
And then what?
Nana.
Oh, Nana. Oh, Nana.
Tell us about the first time you ever saw porn.
I ever saw porn.
Yeah.
The first time I ever saw porn. Alright, y'all ready for this story? The first time I ever saw porn, I was on a school bus. And I think I was in like middle school. And my dog was like, I just seen him sitting by himself. Like he wasn't sitting with nobody. He was in a cut and watching it. So I go and I'm like, yo, what you doing? He like, nothing. I'm like, what you doing? You feel me? So me being nosy, you feel me? I peeked my head over the thing. I see him watching porn. I'm like, damn, this nigga. And I went home and I went to go watch porn.
I had a computer virus, and I got scared that I had the virus. And when I was getting out of my chair, my pants were slipping, and I was pulling them up and getting back on the chair.
True or false? Great sex requires lube. State your case with first-hand evidence. There's on me. The various sex juices. Sometimes they get on your clothes. Tell us about when they have. Oh, we're talking about the little nuts thing. That's what it is, right? The sex juice? Yeah. I gotta tell a story? Yeah. I'm getting tired of these stories, man. Fuck it. Have you ever sent nudes? No? Okay. Oh, so if basically like, if you're curious if somebody gave you STDs or some shit. Nah. If we were in a porn together, what category would it be filled under? She said Ebony?
Blue face, baby. Yeah.
Ebony.
What's the most serious crime you ever committed?
The most serious crime? I know, that's this is a while ago. So I actually went inside someone's house to grab their keys to their dirt bike. And I went for a joyride, and then the gas went out. And I went back to go get the keys for their bike, and I ended up stealing their bike. What is or would be the worst thing about having me as a travel companion? What is or would be the worst thing about having me as a travel companion? She doesn't know me, but there wouldn't be anything bad. You might want to take a shot.
It's your boy Q, Kid Quest Allah, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that's it.
Okay. Truth or false? Great sex requires a connection beyond physical attraction. Explain your thinking.
Physical attraction, I mean, I had sex with a woman who her face wasn't that great, but her body was nice. So, I mean, the sex was good. Was I like mentally attracted to her? No, physical. So I guess it doesn't have to have like a mental thing. If the vibe is there, the vibe is there. That was the question, right?
Physical.
I done said too much.
Physical attraction, not mental.
Who was the last person besides your partner or your kids whose junk you've seen?
Nobody's.
So you ain't seen nobody.
Besides my nigga, that's it.
So that's the last person.
This said partner.
Oh, it's besides your partner. I would.
Okay
damn. I'm overthinking.
You stupid.
Describe your sex life with a song title. You're boring.
Not doing that. Okay. What's the most serious crime you've ever committed?
What do you think I'm most ignorant about? Like a wild guess. Fuck it.
I'd probably say most what?
Ignorant about.
I don't know. Your looks.
But ignorant means like lacking the knowledge of, right?
No, it wouldn't be ignorant. It wouldn't be that. Like, that's the only thing I can think of because I don't know you. So I would just say just your appearance would make you ignorant as fuck. Okay. What's the longest period of time you could spend with me before never wanting to see me again?
It's been like 10 minutes. I mean, shit. I don't know. If you did something wrong and you know it's wrong, do you keep on doing it even if you got caught?
No. I can't be like that.
Like no. you do have a guilty conscience.
I can't. I have common sense. I ain't gonna just do it. Okay, I guess. Do you have any secrets you keep from me and me only, since you want us to do that? The fuck? Drink, please.
Is there an expiration date on your relationship?
On my relationship?
Yeah.
No.
How do you even know that?
Because I know.
That's for everything, huh?
Yep. Okay. Okay. When have you let your pride get in the way of doing the right thing?
I would say like 2 weeks ago, I done blocked somebody. Hey man, I ain't trying to fake no vibes 2020, bro.
I understand.
You get blocked, you get blocked.
You get blocked, that's
You know what I'm
it.
saying? Fuck that shit.
Exactly.
If vibe ain't there, I ain't faking.
You got to go.
That. Have you ever forced someone to do something against their will?
No.
You be so quick with these answers.
Because I'm
Cap, I don't
straightforward
believe
with
you.
this shit.
I would not believe you.
That's it. That's it. What the fuck? We took one. He took two. I took one.
You guys keep like 5 questions.
We didn't
You gotta take a shot.
skip. Okay.
You got one anyway, you be alright.
1, 2,
And I'm the designated
3,
driver?
Go.
Alright, man. Thanks for watching. This boy White Pre in this bitch. Truth or Drink. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Where the weed at? Where the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, gunny, no ghost. Why do some boy them for no? We not take this on the road. Think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby.